Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding baby crochet frock designs. Different designs, different ideas, different color combination, contrasts you can see. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas about baby crochet frock designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet frog designs, then you will contact on my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers you can order and get every beautiful crochet material like baby crochet dresses, boots, socks, gloves, fingerless gloves, jackets and many more. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful frocks have been prepared for children. You can take these frocks to your children by performing them in any function. You can make dresses for your children by using colors of your choice in them. Different designs, different ideas, color combination, contrasts you can see my ideas. Very beautiful frock designs, baby frock designs. You can order us to get the dresses for your choice, your children. And you can get the dresses from your relatives who live in Pakistan. We live in Pakistan. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.